Alright, what we're doing now is an oxidation removal. You can see here where I did the test spot. So we're just taking our gutter butter, 4-to-1, pump spray, wait a few minutes, pump spray, brush. I'm going to work that area with a little Cleanse All BC and some brushing, because the brushing is going to be harder on the second story, just ladder post right there. And that's going to be probably the most difficult spot of the whole house, but should be able to knock this out about 4 or 5 hours. Then once it's on there, you go in here and you brush, and you can see we've already been brushing some, so it's just coming right off. The difference right over here. And then you know if you want to give that a miss. Thank you, sir.